Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious half omelet, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or water, and a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Also, have your favorite fillings ready, like cheese, herbs, or cooked vegetables. A good 8-inch nonstick pan is essential for a perfect omelet. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can focus on the technique. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture and the pan. Crack your 2 eggs into a medium-sized bowl, then add the tablespoon of milk or water, along with your salt and pepper. Whisk this mixture vigorously with a fork for about 30 seconds until it's slightly frothy and the yolk and white are completely combined. Next, place your 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Allow the butter to melt and coat the pan evenly, but don't let it brown. It's time to cook our omelet. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan. Make sure the eggs spread evenly across the bottom. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. As you do this, tilt the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow into the empty spaces. Repeat this a few times. For the final steps, we'll add our delicious fillings and fold the omelet. When the top of the omelet is still slightly wet but mostly set, add your chosen fillings to 1/2 of the surface. Cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just long enough for the fillings to warm through. Now, carefully slide your spatula under the unfilled half and gently fold it over the filled half. Finally, slide your perfectly cooked half omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.